What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have an unboxing of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and right off the back you can tell that the packaging is a little different compared to last year's. Bam, look at that. Which one you like better, let me know. Google Pixel 9 Pro right here. This is just, they went a different direction. I kind of like this. You got a picture of the Google Pixel 9 Pro in front, Google right there, Google Pixel 9 Pro XL right there on the side, as well as the other side. Then you got these little kind of sticker pull tabs that you kind of pull here. Remove these and it releases this sleeve. This sleeve just comes off to the side. No plastic included in this packaging at all. Just slides like that, and you have a cardboard box made out of recycled materials with a silhouette of, not a silhouette, a outline of the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Inside, you're gonna get your warranty information and your SIM tray. No stickers. The Google Pixel itself, put that aside, and Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and that's about it. Nothing else. Very super minimalist packaging, super minimalist device, I guess is what I want to say, because only a charging cable and that's about it. But look at this bad boy. Let's go ahead and remove this. Right off the back, you do have kind of like a identification of your volume rocker right here, power button, fingerprint reader, charging cable, and SIM. I like that they do this because sometimes when they put the SIM tray right next to the power, you think it's like sometimes you might get confused when the mic looks the same and you put the SIM ejecting tool straight in through the mic. But I like how they identified and letting you know right off the back where the actual SIM tray is. Let's go ahead and remove this. Now this is their Hazel color. I believe this is in Hazel. Yes, this is the Hazel one. Kind of like it because it looks great to me. You got this nice soft matted back here, and then you have shiny bezels on the side. Stainless steel. It almost looks like stainless steel. I don't know if it is stainless steel. Shiny bezels on the side. This thing looks absolutely amazing. See, as you can see how you have the little mic right there, and you have the SIM tray. Make sure you don't put your SIM ejection tool down this mic right here, and make sure you're actually in the right hole. That's what she said. Type-C speaker, giant earpiece here on the top. It's just a little slit there. 5G antenna, mic, nothing on the left side. Then you got your power button and your volume rocker on the right side. Feels very good. The camera itself looks very good. It does protrude a little bit, but not too much. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and power this bad boy on, and then we're gonna go and do a quick comparison hardware wise with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So here's the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Let me know which one you think looks good. But overall, they're about the same size. Boom, look at that. 8 Pro, 9 Pro XL. Looking good. Welcome to Google Pixel. Bam. All right, so
but first you'll have to unlock your device.
what the hell? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, give you guys a quick initial impressions, and then I think that'll be it for the video. All right, real quick, make sure you update your device right out of the box. There is a update available to fix anything that's not working properly, like your cameras or any bugs and stuff like that. Make sure you update it because it's very important. Just wanted to give you a heads up. All right, we're back with the setup. Is all done. Everything was relatively simple. The transfer was very good. First initial impressions, this thing is nice and fluid. This baby rocks. Boom, boom, boom. No issues with that. One thing I did notice is that this thing is still on Android. Where is it? Android 14. It did not launch with Android 15, which is a first for a Pixel device. Usually the Pixels launch along with the next iteration of the OS, but I guess the 15 wasn't ready. There was probably bugs or something like of that sort. And y'all remember the Pixel 6 debacle where it was just a mess, bugs everywhere and all kinds of stuff. That's a good thing. Hopefully they don't count the Android 15 update as one of the years of it being supported. I doubt it will, but hopefully it doesn't, since it was released on the same year. I don't think they will. The next thing, the fingerprint reader is significantly faster and more reliable. If we compare this to the 8 Pro from last year, let's see, give you guys a better, as you can see, it's way faster. Let's see, and more reliable. There you go. The screen gets really bright. There's nothing wrong with the screen. It's really good. But I am going to be using this over the weekend. My son got tryouts. I'm gonna take it out there, snap a couple pictures, and then I'll come back and give you guys about a week update, if not a little less than a week update on the Pixel 9 Pro. How's it doing? How's it handling? And any bugs or anything that I find. But other than that, the device feels very good in hand. It looks very good in Hazel. Absolutely loving this color. Look at that. Bam. It does not get better than this, and it feels very solid and secure in your hand with these flat edges. Would like to see this, like everybody's saying, matted, but we can't get it all. Maybe in the next iteration of the Pixel 10 we'll get that, but it's looking good. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, because I will be dropping a bunch of Pixel videos along with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold when it gets here. And I do a lot of EDC videos, everyday carry, because this is your most important tool in your pocket. When it comes to an everyday carry, your smartphone is the most important tool. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.